Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I started my day pretty early as usual. I went for brunch. Brunch was good, but the service was horrible. It was three of us who went to have um, brunch and catch up. And we check in the bills, and there were a lot of things on the bill that we did not order, and we asked them to change the bill three times. So that was a horrible experience. Food is always a good idea, and food is always a good time, but when there's so many things that happen with that. The guy, when I asked for something, or each of us asked for something in Spanish, he brought something different, and till we got tired and started eating whatever he brought us. But then when we asked for the bill, it was a total different conversation. And yeah, I'm still not out of the woods about my health yet, but I'm happy that I got a third opinion. And that's still an ongoing process. And as usual, whenever I have the time, I'm stitching away at this quilt. So that's that with me. Taking a break from the sewing machine to do a bit of stew. So it's basically intuition cooking. So I'm going to show you what I'm putting in the pot. Here I have garlic crushing, just rough style intuition cooking today. Nothing fancy. Well, the beans. I wash the beans. I'm going with the beans. Here I have garlic, onion, and apio. I have some chili, some Mexican chili that I'm going to add to the pot. First, I'm going to add some, well, not some, I'm going to add 1 avocado leaf. Let's go in with 2. What chili? I'm going to use chipotle. Oh my goodness, I have all these Mexican spices. So, spicy is chili actually. That's chipotle I just used. Chili ancho. Why am I using all these chili? So, well, there's just one. There's no more. So I'm going to use all of this. I'm going to put this back. So I'm going to add thyme to the pot. Like I said, this is intuition cooking. Don't be mad at me. A little bit of paprika and pimento and a little bit of smoked salt. And I need to go into the pot with 6 cups of water. So this is what inside the pot looks like. This is 1 cup. This is 4 cups. And I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 1 hour and 30 minutes on multi-flame. Need extra. Will that hurt anyone? Let's see. The Instant Pot just stopped. So I'm gonna let the... Oh, I have my headphones. I was listening to an audiobook called The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. That's the audiobook I'm listening to. But I digress. I'm gonna let this thing... I'm gonna go in with the spinach. It looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. Gonna let this cook down and then we will serve it. So I'm gonna put this on saute for 30 minutes and let it cook. Oh, this is what we have. And food is always a good idea. Beans and spinach. Intuition cooking, plant-based, no animal product here. Provecho. So after lunch and dinner, took the dog out, came back home, and now I'm gonna wind the evening down with a cup of tea, and that's it for my day. I'm gonna leave here by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.